It is very encouraging to see them stepping in on the pork side. It'd be nice to see if they got a little bit more aggressive on the beef side. That would certainly help things. But I think pork is going to be the ongoing thing to keep a very close eye on with regards to purchases from China. And I wouldn't be surprised to see that continue to be a trend with where prices stand right here, right now. I think the futures have done a pretty good job at pricing in some future demand on the lean hog market, and I think that's probably why we've seen such a big bid really over the last 2 weeks from those lows all the way down at 41.5 for that June contract. So we are coming off those lows. Still a lot of technical damage left to repair as far as the chart goes. Potentially see a little bit more follow through. I think that $60 handle is going to be a big barrier here in the very near term, and ultimately I wouldn't be surprised to see us just consolidate a little bit, which is essentially what we've seen here in this cattle market, just a sideways trade for the better part of the last 2 weeks for live cattle, trading in about a $6 range, and I think that's pretty constructive. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a bigger directional move here in the coming weeks. Hopefully that is to the upside, and I think that would potentially come on the back of good news with regards to vaccines and treatments. We know that Gilead Sciences is making pretty good headway with regards to that. And if they come out with something, it will go to essential workers. And when you think of essential workers, you think hospital workers, but I also think that it would go to people working at these plants as well. And that could certainly lead to some reopenings and increased capacity here in the future.